How to fix camera field error in Samsung and any other device. It works most especially for Samsung users. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So if you are seeing any of this camera error on your device, then you need to watch this video. Right here on your device like this is what you need to do. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the camera icon. So you need to hold and tap it like this. Now right here, you can see this icon right here. You need to go ahead and click on that in order to go to your phone settings. So right here, you need to scroll down gently. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says for stop. You don't need to actually click on for stop. So all you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on storage. You can see that right here. Now right here at the bottom, you can see where it says clear cache, and also you can see where it says clear data. So you need to click on clear data like this. Now when you click on that, then you need to go ahead and click on clear cache as well. Clear cache and clear the data. If after clearing the cache and clearing the data, yet your camera is not actually working, this is what you can actually do. You can simply move out from the camera section, then go to your phone settings like this. Right here on your phone settings, you need to scroll to the bottom. Now looking here, you can see where it says software update. You need to go ahead and click on that in order to check if your device is up to date. So looking right here as well, you can see where it says download and install. So you need to click on that and allow it to check if there is any updates for your device. So looking right here, it says your software is up to date. Now if yours says that there is an update that is needed to be done for your device, then you need to go ahead and click on update in order to get your device updated. So this is how simple it is to fix field camera on your Samsung device and any other device. So hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.